Listen, if you've been thinking about starting the Herbalife Lean and Fit Advanced program, this video is going to walk you through exactly how to start it step by step so that you can get the best possible results. Because listen, here's the truth. Most people start the program the wrong way. They skip steps, they use products inconsistently, or they don't follow a structure. And when that happens, it can slow down their progress drastically. Okay. So, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how the program works, what products are included in the program, and the daily routine step by step process, and a few mistakes you absolutely want to avoid. And I'll also share a little bit about how I got started with Herbalife as a customer. Stay tuned. All right, before I explain the program, let me share a little context. I actually started with Herbalife as a customer first. Now, I was looking for a way to support my health, improve my nutrition, and create more structure around my daily routine. Okay. Now, what I discovered is that the Lean and Fit Advanced program isn't just about weight loss. No, 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 no. It's really about building a simple system for daily nutrition, metabolism, support, and energy. Now, once I understood how to use the program correctly, everything became much easier to follow. So, let's break down exactly what the program includes, okay? So, the Lean and Fit Advanced program includes several products that work together or synergistically to support nutrition and metabolism. So, the program includes two Formula One shakes per day. It includes the protein drink mix to help increase daily protein intake. It includes Cell Activator, which is Formula 2, that supports cellular energy. And it includes a multivitamin to help support daily micronutrient needs. And Prolessa, which is designed to support healthy weight management. Now, each of these products play a specific role in helping to create a structured nutrition routine. Okay. But the real key to the program isn't just the products, it's how you use them throughout the day. So, let's walk through a simple step by step routine. Step one is the morning. Now, your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. And most people start their day with their first Formula One shake. And many people combine it with protein drink mix to increase the protein content to help support muscle and metabolism. Okay. Now, this gives your body a balanced mix of protein, vitamins, and nutrients while helping to control the calories. Now, some people also may add herbal tea for energy or aloe for digestive support, depending upon their routine. Now, the goal in the morning is to give your body nutrient dense fuel without a heavy meal. Make sense? Okay, step number two, it is the supplements that you add throughout the day. Now, the program also includes several supplements that you can take throughout the day. For example, it includes Cell Activator, which is Formula 2, and then a multivitamin. and it also includes Prolesa, right? And these are designed to support overall nutrition and help complement the shake based on the meal structure. Many people take these with meals during the day as a part of their routine. Step number 3 is the midday lunch time. Now, around lunchtime, you typically have two options depending upon your personal goals. Okay. Option number 1 is a balanced, healthy meal that includes lean protein, vegetables, and healthy carbohydrates. Or option number 2 is having your second Formula One shake as another meal replacement. Now, the key here is consistency and balance, right? The Lean and Fit Advanced program works best when your body gets steady nutrition throughout the day instead of these long gaps without food. Hope you're getting this. Step number 4 is your snacks and your protein support. Now, another part of the program is making sure you're getting enough protein throughout the day, right? Healthy snacks might include things like Greek yogurt. Okay, it includes nuts like almonds, walnuts. It includes fruit, also protein based snacks. And protein helps support satiety, helps with muscle maintenance and metabolism. Like avoiding large energy crashes during the day is important for staying super consistent, right? Step number 5. This is your evening routine. Now, dinner is usually a well balanced whole food meal. And so it includes lean protein, vegetables, and healthy fats and carbohydrates. The goal here is to maintain balanced nutrition without overeating late at night. Got it? Now, hydration throughout the day is also super important. It's a vital, important part of the program. All right. Now, let's talk about some common pitfalls that you want to avoid. A few of them, these common mistakes that people make when starting the program. Biggest one is inconsistency. If you said that, you got it, right? The program works best when used consistently every single day. Second one, not getting enough protein. Protein plays an important part in metabolism and muscle support. Number 3, skipping meals. Like long gaps between meals can lead to energy crashes and overeating later in the day. When you are following the routine consistently, this helps you stay on track. Now, I know you're asking, well, what kind of results can I get? That's a great question. Listen, everyone's body is different. You are different. Many people report things like better energy. They report a more structured eating habit, right? Your daily habit. They report improved daily nutrition and gradual healthy weight management. But often the biggest benefit is simply having a clear daily structure. You know what you're going to do when you're going to do it. Now, if you're thinking about starting the Lean and Fit Advanced program, I created a simple daily checklist that shows a full routine step by step, right? And if you like that checklist, in the comments, I want you to comment lean below and I'll send you the details. And go ahead and check out the links that's in the description of this video if you're ready to try the Lean and Fit Advance. And if you want more videos like this on nutrition and wellness, be sure to subscribe to this channel. All right. So go ahead and check out the video that's coming up next, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.